Imagine spending 2.5 hours each day finding your purpose and changing your life through career training with students from all over the East Valley who share your same interests. At evit, you'll learn from instructors with real-world experience in the careers you're passionate about. You'll gain advanced skills, hands-on experience, and industry-recognized certifications that prepare you for the workforce or continued education. You won't just learn about the job, you'll do the job. High school students earn credits that count toward graduation, with the option to enroll in dual enrollment courses that count toward a future college degree. For students interested in public safety, the new Fire Science Academy at Coronado High School, in partnership with Scottsdale Fire Department, offers live fire training, tower drills, and certifications to prepare you for careers in firefighting and emergency services. Our STEM Academy connects you with industry partners like Boeing, Honeywell, and Intel to prepare you for the high-tech jobs of tomorrow. We are also expanding our higher education programs to meet Arizona's workforce demands. Associate degrees, apprenticeships, and certificate programs, all at our main campus with smaller classes, affordable tuition, and an accelerated path to your future. Adults can also enroll in high school equivalency or GED prep and adult basic education programs, creating new opportunities for career advancement. Whatever your next steps are, the knowledge and experience gained at evit will set you far ahead of your competition. We are proud to offer a range of education pathways to your future, your way. Your future, your way at evit.